Welcome to the best picks. The best Roomba 595 battery is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Roomba 595 owners, promising extended cleaning times and renewed vigor for your robotic vacuum cleaner. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process of replacing your old, worn-out battery with a brand new one, ensuring your Roomba 595 continues to clean your floors efficiently and effectively, saving you time and effort in your daily chores. We'll cover everything from identifying the correct replacement battery to safely installing it, and troubleshooting any potential issues along the way. Number 5. Powerextra Roomba Battery. This is a high-capacity replacement battery, designed to give your Roomba a longer run time. It's easy to install and fits perfectly. It's built with safety features to protect against overcharging and short circuits, extending its lifespan. It works just like the original. This battery is compatible with many Roomba models, from the 500 to the 900 series. Check the description to confirm compatibility with your model. It has passed rigorous safety tests and carries CE, FCC, and RHS certifications, giving you peace of mind. It's designed for maximum trouble-free use. We're here to help. Contact us with any questions. It comes with a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. Upgrade your Roomba with this long-lasting, reliable replacement battery. Enjoy a cleaner home for longer. What we like. It boasts an impressive 5,000 mAh capacity for extended cleaning sessions. Its multiple safety features protect against common battery issues, ensuring a long lifespan. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. It arrives with a really good charge on it. I used it to clean 3 large rooms before it ran out of juice. Replacement for my Roomba 671 and it worked perfect. This was a very affordable option for my Roomba. It arrived quickly, was easy to install, and had my Roomba up and running in no time at all. It has given it a new lease of life, which is awesome. Number 4. iRobot Roomba XLife Battery. This is the iRobot Roomba XLife Battery, designed to give your robot a longer life. It's compatible with many Roomba models, offering double the cleaning cycles compared to standard batteries. Get twice the cleaning power with this extended life battery. Enjoy more cleaning time before needing a recharge. It works seamlessly with your Create 2, Scuba 450, and various Roomba 500, 600, 700, and Select 800 series robots. Check compatibility before purchasing. Replacing your old battery is simple and straightforward. Instructions are included for a quick and easy swap. The package includes one XLife battery. Dimensions are 5.51 L x 2.01 W x 2.32 inches. Please note that it is not compatible with Roomba 890 and 690 models. Always verify compatibility with your specific robot model. What we like. This battery delivers twice the cleaning cycles of the standard battery. Being an authentic iRobot part guarantees compatibility and performance. If you prioritize genuine quality and extended cleaning power, choose this option. What people say. Battery works well and charges with no issue. I reset my Roomba for the new battery and left it plugged in with this new battery until the light was green, which took overnight. Now the Roomba runs like new. I like the fact that the Roomba's design made it easy to replace a battery that was no longer holding a charge. This battery went right into place and has performed well so far. Easy install, quick setup redo. I did a test run this morning and the battery lasted 1 hour and 50 minutes before it needs to be recharged. My Roomba is functioning as if it's new. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 500 to 800 series battery. This is a high-quality replacement battery for your iRobot Roomba. It's designed to give you longer cleaning time and more value for your money. It boasts a 14.4 V, 3000 mAh NMH power cell. Experience extended cleaning sessions without worrying about running out of power. This battery is engineered for longevity. Enjoy a longer lifespan and reduced replacement costs compared to standard batteries. It's fully compatible with various iRobot Roomba 500, 600, 700, and 800 series models. It works just like the original battery. Safety is our priority. It features safeguards against voltage issues, short circuits, and overheating, ensuring worry-free use. Installing it is simple and straightforward. Just connect it and start cleaning. It's designed for easy charging and connection. This battery has passed rigorous CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. You can trust in its quality and safety. What we like. While it offers a slightly lower capacity, it's made with high-quality materials for reliable performance. It's also a more affordable option. If you're on a budget but still want a dependable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy install. Vacuum Roomba charged up and works like new. Very happy with this battery. It fits perfectly and my Roomba is working better than ever. 8 years old Roomba. Popped in a new battery and she's going strong. It was only doorstep early the next morning, easy to install and I saved a ton of money. Number 2. VINIDA Roomba Battery R3. This is the VINIDA replacement battery for your iRobot Roomba. It's designed for a perfect fit and effortless installation. It boasts a high 5,200 mAh capacity and is an NMH battery. Enjoy longer cleaning times before needing a recharge. This battery works with many Roomba models, including the 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series. It also works with some Discovery, Dirt Dog, and Create vacuums. Simply install it, it fits perfectly. Charging is also a breeze. Remember to charge it every 2 to 3 months if it's not in use. It includes safety features like overcharge, overdischarge, and short circuit protection. It's rigorously tested to meet OEM standards. We offer a 30-day refund and 24-hour online support. Buy with confidence, knowing it's backed by our quality assurance. What we like. This high-capacity battery provides extended cleaning time, and you get 2 batteries for double the convenience. It's also compatible with a wide range of robot vacuum models. If you want extra cleaning time and backup power, this is a great option. What people say. It fit my old Roomba and the battery lasts for 60 to 65 minutes every time I run it. This works perfect on my Roomba. Faulty battery was lasting barely 20 minutes and the robot was not even able to return to the dock. With this new battery, my Roomba seems brand new. My vacuum worked immediately upon installing this replacement battery. Number 1. Roomba Replacement Battery. This battery gives your Roomba a longer run time, so you can clean more efficiently. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions. It's designed to match the performance of the original battery, ensuring excellent cleaning results. You'll get consistent power throughout your cleaning cycle. It's compatible with a wide range of Roomba models, making it a versatile replacement option. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your robot vacuum. It has multiple safety features to prevent overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits. Rest assured that it's safe and reliable. It's easy to install and charge. You can charge it anytime without affecting its lifespan. Get back to cleaning quickly and easily. This package includes 2 extra side brushes, a great addition to your cleaning supplies. These brushes are compatible with 500, 600, and 700 series Roomba models. What we like. It offers a longer run time with its upgraded 4,500 mAh capacity, plus you get extra side brushes. This is a great value for the price. If you want extra cleaning power and some free accessories, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the second time I have replaced the battery. This robot is still the best around. We have another one, newer, but the old one with the new battery outperforms it. Arrived promptly and in good shape. Installed easily and the Roomba works well. Battery fits perfect and works good. Update, 03/27/23 still working great. The Roomba needs to be juggled a bit to dock properly but that's not the battery issue. Charge holds good for a good 40 minutes or cleaning. The brushes with the battery are a great must-have and has been very helpful to us. Overall a good return on our investment to breathe life in our old Roomba. Initially after replacement the Roomba gave an error code 3 warning and was not charging on the dock. Call it a quirk, I loosened one of the case holding screw at the base, top side, which seemed to make it work. So far so good, and I now have a functioning Roomba. Will update as needed. My old 655 Roomba finally wouldn't run more than 15 minutes because the battery wouldn't hold a charge. When the battery arrived, I gave it an initial full charge per the instructions. It fit perfectly in my Roomba. The result was over an hour of run time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.